Almighty God, today Ghana has humbled herself. Today Ghana has gathered together in prayer. Today Ghana is seeking your face.
It is a testimony of what the president said, that this country is blessed with religious harmony. You never hear Christians fighting Muslims, Muslims fighting Christians. So it is a clear sign that this country is so blessed. And for us to choose this day to say thank you, and our Muslim brothers and sisters joining us, clear sign of unity, clear sign of a people who are so blessed. And we are so thankful to the Almighty and to the President.